Hi Prahlad, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I am fine. How are you?
I'm good. So, as I can see your resume, so uh, kindly walk me through your resume.
Yeah, myself Prahlad Sahu. I am from Cuttack, Odisha. Cuttack is a small town of Odisha, and I have completed my schooling from here from Cuttack. And after my schooling, I have done my plus two in commerce, and then BCom, and then I am also have done my MBA from UPUT, Odisha, and then I have also done my PG in Master in Journalism and Mass Communication
Okay,
in 2015. After the completion of my course, firstly I have joined in Axis Bank as a MIS executive, and after then I switched to Royal Enfield as a sales head.
okay,
That's all. And now I am continuing in a company XYZ company as a data analyst, and I am working on the data uh, and in Excel, in SQL. I am working in all these tools for data cleaning and for the
okay,
execution of data.
okay,
I am
okay,
now working on SQL.
okay. So, can you please elaborate on your roles and responsibility?
Yeah, my role is there to clean the data and to present the data to the clients, and when any data come from the outside, or we just work with in a team in our company data in our database.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so as I can see your resume, you are really proficient in SQL, right?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, so can you please tell me what are the sub languages in SQL?
Yeah, there are five sub languages. There are DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. These are the sub languages of SQL.
Okay, okay. So can you please tell me what is the difference between drop and truncate and delete?
Yeah, delete delete the data in row wise in rows, but truncate delete the table. The delete the table means the all rows in a table, but drop deletes the data from the database along with the structure and the schema.
Okay, okay,
Drop is faster than delete.
okay. Nice. So do you know operators?
Yeah, I know operators.
Uh, can you tell me like what are the
Yeah,
operators you know?
yeah, there are so many operators like logical operators,
Hmm.
comparison operators,
Hmm.
and also set operators are there in SQL.
Okay, okay. So you know sort set operators, right?
Yeah,
So can you tell me what is intercept?
yeah. Intersect means it only fetch the common records between the two SQL select statement. Between the two tables, it will select. It will fetch only the common records of two tables.
Okay, are you sure about that?
Yeah,
Okay. So do you know what is like operator?
yeah. I know like operator. Like operator is used with where clause, and it is like a distinct operator, or it is like a special character like.
Okay, okay, okay. So do you know like if I have a requirement that I want to find the first name whose first name is like A to D, I only want to fetch those records. Okay.
Those names who are starting from A to D.
Yeah, yes, yes. Can you please tell me
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
query for that?
Yeah. Select name from the table name. Suppose the table name is employee. Select name from
Okay, okay.
employee.
Hmm.
Select name uh, from employee where uh, name like
Hmm.
A hyphen D, and that will be in inverted commas.
Okay. Only A like A hyphen D.
Yeah, A to D,
Nothing like
and then
any.
percentage. Then after the bracket close,
Okay.
then it percentage.
Okay. 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 So, uh, do you know about constants?
Yeah, in our constants there are six types of constants: not null, unique, uh, primary key, foreign key,
Hmm. And six types.
and I think either two are also there. Not null constraint, unique constraint, uh, primary key constraint, foreign key constraint, and I
Okay.
can't.
Okay. Okay. No issue.
It's check and default.
And
Yeah.
right. Check constraint and default constraint.
Okay. No issue.
Yeah.
No issue. So, one more question. So, do you know how to delete a constant?
Yeah, I know that.
Tell me.
Okay, to delete a constant, we have to use the alter command, alter table name, then delete. From that, delete constant name.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I want to delete a constant. So, are you sure
Yeah.
about that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, it's over to you, Mona Lisa.
Okay. So hi. Good evening, Pralad.
Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah. So do you know the SQL query execution order?
Yeah, I know that. And
Yeah. Please describe.
the order to be yes, that is from where group by having select order by then top.
Sorry, sorry.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat?
The SQL queries in order is starting from, then where, then having, group by, then having, then select, then order by, then top.
If there is a join, then can you please tell me the order of execution?
Yeah, order of from and join in will execute means execute similarly. First join, then from, then where, then group by, then having, then select, then order by, then top.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. So joins is ANSI standard or non ANSI?
ANSI standard.
Okay. So do you know about cascade?
Cascade, yeah, I know that.
So how many actions are there?
There are four actions.
What are
On
the?
cascade set default, on cascade set null, then two also are there.
Okay. What are those?
No problem. Can you please describe what is magic table?
Yeah, magic table means these are the automated tables, means this can be related to the triggers. These are triggers means these are set up means type of store procedure, special type of store procedure that is defined to execute automatically in place or after data modifications. Suppose we have to fetch a set of code, then after the deletion, updation, and after update, delete, or any other query placed from a particular table, then it will work. Means it will work automatically.
So where we can perform this magic table, like any specific language?
Yeah, in TSQL means transact SQL, and also it is called as my
No,
PLSQL
no,
in
no, no,
Oracle.
no, no, no. I'm not.
Procedural language.
I'm not asking that actually. I'm asking like whenever we when we can use, like when we can perform the magic table, like is there any particular language when?
Yeah, it can be performed at that time when a data we want to fetch so many times.
No, no, no,
So
no, no, no,
we have to
no.
fetch the data so many times, but if we created a magic table, then the data will be fetched automatically whenever it is required.
Okay, okay, leave. So so like do you know or are you aware of some like data cleaning functions? Do you know function? What is function?
Yeah, I know functions. There are functions in so many functions like aggregate functions are there,
No, 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 no,
scalar
no,
functions
no, no, no.
in a yeah.
uh, I am asking what is function, why we use function.
Yeah, what is
Think-
function in SQL basically?
Okay, okay. Function means when we have to fetch a value, means from a set of value. When we want to return a single value,
So
means from a set of code or from a column value, we need a return value. Then we use function in
okay,
that case.
okay, so how many type of function are there?
There are aggregate functions,
No,
scalar functions, and
I'm not.
also there are window
I,
functions. Window
I
function are
am not asking about those functions. I am asking about text functions.
X function.
Yes,
X
text functions.
Oh, text function. Yeah, there are text functions also.
So basically, I'm asking about inbuilt function and user defined functions.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, leave.
There are inbuilt functions and user different function.
Okay, leave. So, do you know what is substring?
Yeah, I know substring. When you want to fetch a string from a full string, then it is called as substring. Means we want to fetch some data from a string, then it is called as string.
Do you know cast function?
Yeah, I know cast function. It converts the numeric value to the numeric value to string. It can also convert to numeric value to a string.
Acha, okay.
Do you know what is window function? Can you please describe?
Yeah. Window function means like it's a partition wise function. These functions are categorized into three types. Means aggregate function, ranking function, and analytical functions.
Okay. What are the analytical functions?
Analytical functions are leak, lat, first value, and last value.
Okay. So, if I want to found the last value of a column, then what should I write?
Yeah, we should write select uh, last value. Then then overclose will be mandatory in window functions. Then over. Then in last value, to fetch the last value, we have to write a clause like rows and range clause. The rows and range clause start from like unbounded preceding and following row, or unbounded preceding and current row, unbounded preceding and unbounded following. These
Okay.
will be written in the code according to what you want to be fetched, according to your result sheet.
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me the order of window function?
Yeah, first partition by, then order by,
Then,
partition, then order, then
okay. Okay, leave. So, can you please do you know rank, dense rank, rows number, and entile?
yeah, yeah.
What
These
is
are all vacuum functions.
what is entile?
Entire means suppose you have 10 data or 10 rows in a column, and we want to fetch in 5 tiles. So it will just divide into tiles. Means each 2 rows will convert into a tile, and total it will be in 5 tiles.
So basically, you want to say if we provide in tile that two, then it will divide the table into
Right,
two
right,
parts.
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If suppose there are 10 rows, or we want to fetch the 10 rows of data, then we can use two as one tile. Then it will totally it will the subject will be five tiles will be there.
Okay. Okay. So can you please elaborate like what is the range, sorry, rank and dense rank? Like what is the difference
Uh,
between rank and dense rank?
rank and dense rank are window functions uh, which uh, which will use to assign a rank to each row, and when it is a tie or there is a tie, rank keeps the value whereas dense rank does not.
Okay, okay. So like
So basically, you said that Densran doesn't provide the value.
Dense rank does not skip the value. But dense rank does not skip the rank. Suppose there is a tie, means the suppose we want salary and there is 2% salary is 10,000. So suppose their rank is 2, then both the rank
Mhm.
then both the ranks will seen as 2, and the next rank will be 4 in ranking in rank, but the next rank will be 3 in dense rank.
okay,
Okay.
okay. So do you know what is index? Why?
Yeah, index is used for searching faster. Means in case of searching the data in a faster way, that index is used.
Okay. So do you know subquery?
Yeah, you know, subquery. Subquery is a query within another query, and it is also known as nested query or inner query.
Do
It
you,
is of two types: non-related subquery and correlated subquery. Non-correlated and correlated.
so what is correlated subquery?
Correlated subquery means it is like if not an independent query, means there is a inner query and outer query and both are dependent. But non-correlated subquery, this is an independent query.
So basically, in correlated subquery,
Yeah,
uh, if I write a query inside a query, and
yeah. When the inner query will be executed first, then the outer query will take that result of inner query and the total query will be executed.
okay. So do you know what is view?
Yeah, you know, view is a virtual table based on the uh, result set. It's a virtual table and it doesn't store the data. It stores only the um, it
Of
doesn't store data. It only does store the codes.
okay.
Do you know between non-clustered index and clustered index, which is faster?
Clustered index is faster than the non-clustered index.
And how many number of non-clustered index we
Line,
can have in a table?
triple line,
Okay. Yeah.
and one clustered index can be used in one table.
So do you know TSQL?
Yeah, I know a little bit. It is the advanced SQL,
Okay,
means SQL
just one
querying
more
language.
question.
It's a transact SQL.
Just one more question.
Yeah,
You said that you know magic table, right?
yeah,
So if I want to roll back a transaction,
yes.
so can you please tell me what is the query?
Okay, the query will starting from begin transaction. Then you will just write the query.
Okay,
This total select statement will be executed. If
okay,
you want to roll back, if you put the begin transaction in the first of the query, then you last at the ending you just write rollback transaction, and the previous query will be executed.
okay. So let me give you two questions. Just tell me.
Sorry for the interruption. Should I ask a question if you are okay?
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Um, can you please explain normalization like 1NF or 2NF?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Normalization is the way of organizing structured data in the
Mm-hmm.
database efficiently. It also removes the anomalies, and it is of different types like fast normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF means Boyce code normal form. Fast normal form means every cells contain a unique value, means one atomic value. In the second normal form, it is Q1NF, and every single column will hold a primary key. Like that, third normal form also is in second normal form, and there is no partial dependency. And BCNF is like 3.5 NF, or the advanced version of third normal form.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let me share my screen and we have to do this assignment.
Yes, yes.
Is my screen is visible?
Not yet. Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Just tell me what is the query.
Yeah.
Can you see the question? Here is the
Yes,
question.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just tell me the answer.
Query all the attributes of Japan city is in city. The country code for Japan is the city table is just a. Where is the question?
This is the question.
What query all attributes of every Japanese city? Okay, okay. In the city table, the country code for Japan is Japan. The city table is okay. Attributes of every Japanese city. Okay. Select star from city where country code equals to JPL.
Okay. Then another one is here.
Yes. Query a count of the number of cities in city having a population larger than 1 lakh. Okay. Select count of count in brackets in parenthesis city from city table uh, where population greater than 1 lakh.
Okay. So let suppose we have two tables. Okay.
Yes,
One,
yes,
we have two tables. In left table we have five record, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
yes, yes.
and in right table we have five record, but those are like repeated. One is two times, and two is
Uh,
two times, and three is one time. Okay. So can you please tell me if I
sorry,
write
sorry. Excuse me. In the second table,
the
what you
second
said?
table contains
Yeah.
one two times, two times, three one times. Means five record
Okay.
is there, but
Means
there
the
is
first table and second table record will be same. The first table one will be repeated in the second table two times.
yes,
Two will be repeated two times, and three will only once.
yes. So can you
Okay.
tell me what is the output if I write a right join and a outer join?
Okay. Outer join is divided into three types. That is say left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. You just want to fetch me the answer of right outer join.
Right outer join and full outer join.
Full outer join. Okay. Full outer join. The total table will be means the first table and the second table. All data will be present there. But in right outer join, the common column from both the table and the total and the right
I just want answer.
answer. Okay. Then in the right outer join, the answer is 1 means record of 1, record of 2 and 5 will be present there.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
5. Okay, fine.
5 is present in second table. No? You say 5 is only once present in second table.
No, I said one,
No,
one
3, sorry,
twice,
3.
two twice,
1
three.
twice, okay, okay. 1 twice, 2 twice and 3.
Hmm.
3 one time.
Hmm.
Okay, then 1 and 2 and 3. These records are there.
In right outer join.
Right outer join.
And in full outer join,
In full outer join, both the tables and every record will be there.
every record is there.
Yeah, from the left table and from the right table.
That mean one is three time or what?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So that is from my side. So anything from your side?
No, no, that's all.
Okay, so Prahlad,
Yes.
so if okay, can you please tell me like why do you want to apply for this position?
Because my first job, my career started from the data, and I work as a MS executive. So we work there in Excel and PowerPoint. So I just found a data, and I just want to work in this field because my passion is in this field. and I work as a data analyst. I just aim to be in a future as a data analyst, and I want to carry means my I want to forward my career as a data analyst in future. That is my aim. So I just want to go in this field.
Okay, okay. So basically, like if you get like, how do you handle tight deadlines and high pressure situation?
Yeah, I can handle it because I am a type of guy. I just want to conclude my data or conclude my task in the time I have given. So I am very punctual in my time and my completion of my task. So I will try better to complete my task before time. When the period is given, I will try my best to give it before the time to
Okay,
complete the task.
okay. So can you please share me a example that you have successfully completed any project?
Yeah, I have already worked on different projects and in data analyst, and I have worked on a project in SQL, and I have also done a project in Excel also.
So what was that project?
The project is of a food chain like Zomato. It's a pizza company, and we have to fetch the data. Means the total data is there of the pizza store, and we have to fetch the how much percent of sale is there, in which month the sale is higher. Everything is there.
Okay, okay. So basically, you did this project in SQL or in Excel?
I have both in this project. Both SQL and Excel are used.
Okay,
I have done the project in Excel and SQL in both the tools.
okay. So if being shortlisted, how
Yeah,
soon you can join?
yeah. I am a quick joiner. I will join in 5 to 7 days because the transportation, you know. So I will just join in 5 to 7 days as quick as possible.
5 to 7 days because the joining location will be Delhi. So
No problem. In India, anywhere I can join.
okay, okay, that sounds good. So what is your salary expectation?
Salary expectation, I have just nothing expected that as the company provided to me, I am
So the
uh,
company will provide 2.5 lakhs. It is okay for you?
2.5 lakhs. I don't want the. I just don't want to in 2.5 lakh because my current salary now I am getting 3.6. So I just want that much or above some above that. Like.
Okay, okay. We'll look into it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So thank you for joining and thank you for time. So our HR will contact you as soon as possible.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.